I've gotten some comments recently about video games. Erica, this is for you. And of course, Halo Infinite was recently released a multiplayer version of it so you can play it online now, which got me looking at some of my old high school games and things like that. And one of the things I was really thinking about was, hey, if you're playing any sort of like first person shooter game online, there is some key vocabulary that can be helpful if you need to communicate with your team in English. So these are going to be some key phrases that you can use the next time that you play your favorite shooter game online. We're specifically going to be focusing on pronunciation, but you will see also a quick description of meaning as well. One down. One down. Notice that for one, that N does not need to be very strong. And for down, make sure that you're holding the vowel sound long enough. Down, down. The N doesn't need to be super strong. One down. Double kill. Double kill. Double has a schwa sound. It's like double. Make sure everything's really relaxed. And then kill has that short I sound. Make sure you're not saying keel. It's kill. Triple kill. Triple kill. This again is going to have two short I sounds. So again, ki, triple kill, triple kill. Also note that these L sounds aren't really strong, right? You're going to use a dark L sound. Raise the back of your tongue, lower the front of your tongue. So it's not triple, it's triple. It's not kill, it's kill. Dark L sounds. AFK, AFK. Make sure when you have abbreviations like this that you stress the last letter. K, AFK. Also make sure that you're not making it too tense. It's not K, it's K. He's AFK. Friendly fire. Friendly fire. You want to put the stress on fire. Also make sure when you're saying that R in fire that you're getting the placement where you're projecting the sound from low in the throat and relaxed. It's not fire, it's fire. Fire. Friendly fire. Out of the way. Out of the way. Your stress is on way. Notice that for that first part, out of the. So instead of saying out of the, it just gets shortened to out of the. I got nothing. I got nothing. Stress on nothing. Notice that oftentimes that NG sound gets reduced from an NG, that to just an N. Nothing, nothing. I got nothing. Nice nade. Nice nade. Nade being a short form for grenade. You can also say things like nice shot or nice move or things like that. But nice nade. Nice nade. Stress on nade. Respawn. Respawn. Again, we talked about that on sound earlier. A little note too that the stress can change a little bit. Respawn often is going to be more about the noun, like maybe the place where your character comes back to life. Whereas respawn, if you stress the second syllable, it becomes more of a verb, like, oh, I need to respawn, like I need to come back to life. One shot back there. One shot back there. A lot of times one shot means that one person, your enemy, just needs one more shot to be killed. So again, one shot back there. One shot back there. You want to put the stress on one. Flank them. Flank him. Notice that him gets reduced. So instead of saying flank him, it just becomes flank him. It's like a K followed by an M sound. Just flank him. Which one of these phrases do you think is most helpful when you're communicating with your teammate? Let me know in the comments. They're at our base. They're at our base. You want to hear stress base. Notice again we have some reductions like at our. So instead of at our, it's more at our base. You also get some linking with the they're at, that R is going to attach, like they're at our base. This is the game. This is the game. Notice how fast that first part is. This is the game. Your stress is going to be on game. To help with that linking in that first part, you can say this, so that S on this attaches to is, and then that Z is going to link with the TH. It's like this is the game. This is the game. There are also lots of ways that you can indicate that someone is behind your teammate, or that your teammates may say to you if someone is behind you. You can say behind you, behind you. Notice that that D takes on like a J sound. Ju, behind you. You can also get reduced to ya, behind you, behind you. Or for instance, you could say he's chasing you. He's chasing you, like if someone is following you. or he's chasing you. He's chasing you. That's the reduced form you may see before. He's chasing you. It can often become he's chasing you. Hey guys, if you want some more pronunciation practice with Halo, take a look at this video.